we are back and about to bring in our guest. She is truly one of a kind. She is a very close family friend and she has everybody around her dancing to her tunes. She's very, very special because she has introduced my son in her first directorial film, Main Hoon Na. I feel that Main Hoon Na was her best film to date. Maybe I am biased a bit, but then that's me. Farah is truly special with all of us.
Hello, Zarine.
Oh, hi. How are you?
I'm great.
So nice to see you, huh?
What a lovely, lovely thing you have made over here.
Thank you. Come and sit down. So,
thank you, Zarine. You're looking beautiful.
Oh, you're always so extraordinary in all your compliments, but I must say the same thing.
That is not true, but I want to tell people, I forbid you all from ever calling her auntie. You have to slap people who say Zarine auntie because you look...
By the grace of God, I think we all are keeping ourselves well.
Yeah, we eat well and we laugh a lot.
And we are healthy-looking people, let's put it that way.
Correct.
Now we are going to have some fun today. I'm going to...
And some food also, no? I've come for the food, huh, Zarine?
Of course, definitely.
Because your food, you know, na, I'll climb Mount Everest also.
Yes. Another thing I wanted to ask you is, how are your little ones?
My little ones are not so little anymore. They are 8 साल के हो गए हैं. Everyone says, लेकिन हमने अभी 3 साल पहले ही तो पढ़ा था कि आपकी triplets हुए, वो 3 साल नहीं थे, 8 साल पहले था. So time flies, they're growing. And I got them to your place.
I know.
Zayed called me for a barbecue.
Yes.
And he said that bring your kids. It's so nice, you know.
They must be keeping you very busy.
They keep busy and I want ke... now our ties with friends are all because of children, you know. So it's so nice that Zayed and me meet up. Your sister-in-law Suzanne's son is in class with my daughters.
Yes, how nice.
You know,
nice.
so now everything is interconnected to the children.
But Farah, ye batao, abhi film, you can't become that much of a
mummy.
Mummy.
Yeah, true.
You have to, your whole, you know, everybody expects good films from you. I remember your Main Hoon Na was...
Now I'm actually writing Main Hoon Na Part 2.
Really?
I'm thinking about it seriously.
Very nice.
We used to come aapke ghar pe to show you snips of Zayed.
How many years ago that was?
It was Main Hoon Na 2012 saal ho gaye abhi.
We want another film as good as that.
Okay, I promise you.
Chalo, now shall we go in and...
Neki aur puch Zarine, immediately. Come on.
Come. Farah, actually this is very easy. All you've got to do is first take a pan and then add some little oil.
Little?
Little means
Zarine के घर में कभी भी little से कुछ नहीं होता है, हमेशा lots होता है.
And you take this and then I have to put ilaichi, lavang and dalchini. Okay. 1 minute.
Wait, I will. Can I do it?
Yeah,
Can I be a helper?
Help me, yeah. Andaza se 3, 4, 5 like this. Thode se dal de, bas. Very good. Okay, you put this, 2 things and then you put your piyaz. Okay. And you let it fry.
Brown or?
Brown, light brown. You have to make a mixture of pudina, kothmeer,
mint,
piyaz, coconut powder, salt
or pepper
and black pepper. You put it in a grinder.
पानी डालूं के नहीं?
थोड़ा सा
just for
yes. और उसको mixture बना के ऐसे बना देना. The mutton is also marinated with adrak and lasan.
Lovely.
और उसको अभी अच्छी तरह से घुमाओ till it becomes nice. Mix karo and let it all the flavors come out. The juices and the flavors of the adrak, the lasan, the onions.
और पानी जरा भी नहीं डालना है ना?
First you have to put water, but अभी नहीं. अभी तो पूरा उसको mix करना है और ये juices इससे मिल जाना चाहिए. And we keep it on, let it fry a little bit slowly, steam it a little bit and then fry it again.
I think every person who comes on this show is coming out of the love for the food.
Well, I really appreciate that.
आपका खाना खाने के लिए हम लोग कहीं भी पहुंच सकते हैं.
You have to call me anytime and I'll send you a dabba of biryani.
No, उनका धन साग, इनके kebabs, उनका mutton, and last time we had that keema and masoor dal ki biryani.
Biryani, yes.
Awesome.
Okay, now we see again that it doesn't get burnt.
तो कितनी देर तक? आधा घंटा approximately?
नहीं, 20 minutes उसको अच्छी तरह से fry करना है. फिर उसमें भुनना है. फिर उसमें this is all the ground masala. So I put in this.
Mix it?
Mix it properly. How nice. My little friend is helping me cook.
I love doing this, Zarine, और there is no way कि मैं Zarine से better cook हो जाऊँ.
नहीं, ये बात तो नहीं. You will be.
क्योंकि फिर वो मुझे खाना भेजना छोड़ देगी. तो ये ऐसे हो गया.
ये हो गया. अभी इसको थोड़ा सा पानी जो डालना है डाल देंगे थोड़ा सा, because the juice it must very little, and let it cook on high fire.
High पे.
Yeah, high पे.
तो Zarine मुझे बताओ ये पारसी डिश है या मोगलाई डिश है कि?
ये मेरी mother-in-law का डिश है, frankly speaking. पारसी तो नहीं है.
Okay.
She used to make this Hara Masala Mutton या Hara Masala Chicken. We used to say Hara Masala Gosh. And you know, it's a very, well, they come from Bangalore, South India.
Okay.
So I think they used to make this a lot.
Like this, lovely it is.
I think it's ready now. So now see the last step, what it is.
Oh my God. The smell.
Now you take the kacha onions.
Kacha onion, round wale.
Round ones, and you sort of break them like this.
Oh, okay.
And you put them here all over.
Wow.
See.
कितना onion दो?
About 2 onions, according to for 1 kg meat.
Okay.
ये डालें और उसके ऊपर you sprinkle some more black pepper.
और काली मिर्च.
हाँ, see. And then you take the juice of a lemon.
एक या दो?
2 चम्मच बोलो.
Zarine थोड़ा मेरे को नींबू और डालो, please.
चलो, for Farah. This is for Farah. Yes. Farah special.
Thank you. और फिर वापस
and
उसको वापस
now
mix
you
करें?
just no. Now ऐसे ही रखो उसको.
The smell is killing me, Arya. I'll eat you otherwise.
Now you close this and make it slow, very slow fire, and leave it on for 5 minutes.
और ये भी मैं बता दूं क्योंकि Zarine मेरी मम्मी की फ्रेंड है, लेकिन मैं कभी भी Zarine को कभी मैंने आंटी नहीं बुलाया because she's too young, hot and glamorous to be called auntie by anybody. First of all, Zarine और मेरी माँ का बर्थडे सेम डे पे है. दोनों पारसीज हैं. ओके, दोनों की बेटियों का नाम फारा है.
Yes.
ओके. So many connections. और मेरी मेहंदी जो हुई थी शादी की वो सब पूरे Zarine के
हमारे घर में हुई.
Literally उनके घर पे हुई थी. So they are second family to me. Wow. ऐसा स्टीम और सोना अगर आपको लेना है तो सिर्फ इस
एक बड़ा डिश इसको अभी ऑफ कर लो.
Oh my God.
Yes, you like it? Really like it?
Oh my God, it is fabulous.
See the onions, how the onions on the top give you that little crunch, you know, as you're eating it.
It is too good.
There. And now...
crunchy onion.
Yes. Now, folks, this is the dish for you that Farah and me have made. It's called Hara Masala Mutton.
Farah style with extra nimbu. But Zarine, अगर कुछ miss हो गया होगा तो एक recap कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल.
For Hara Masala Mutton, in a pan, heat 3 to 4 tablespoon oil, add 7 to 8 cloves, 5 to 6 green cardamoms and fry them. Add the 4 sliced onions, mix well and let it sweat. Now, add the 500 gram marinated mutton pieces, mix well and cover it with the lid. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Prepared paste is a mixture made of mint leaves, coriander leaves, onion, coconut powder, salt to taste, water as required, 4 to 5 black pepper and grind it well. Water as required and let it cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Garnish the dish with onion rings, grounded black pepper powder, lemon juice and let it steam for 2 minutes. Your Hara Masala Mutton is ready to be served.
Good things come to those who wait. So don't go away. We'll be back after the break with an eternal heartthrob.